total internal reflection. Total internal reflection in a glass slab. So, the definition of critical angle is the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. This is the ray diagram of critical angle, total internal reflection. So, the phenomenon is happening here, the occurrence of TIR, and he is the Kepler. You understand, friends? He is the Kepler who discovered the total internal reflection. And John Kepler, he is the first scientist who discovered total internal reflection early in 1600s. He explained the apparent bending of objects partially submerged in water. He discovered that with suitable materials and suitably shallow angles of incidence and refracted angle can be made to exceed 90 degrees with results total internal reflection. And the applications are mirages, diamond, optical fibers. And the applications of TIR mirages we have discussed. Yeah, this is the formation of mirages on the road, and this is the formation of mirage in a desert. So, here a boy is saying, yeah, that is nothing but mirages. So, it is happens total internal reflection. The layer of air is near the ground is hot, is lesser than the upper layers. So, low refractive index. So, light refracts more and more towards the normal. When light meets a layer of air near the ground at the angle greater c, it occurs total internal reflection. Yes. So, it appears as inverted image as we learn. So, how beautiful is diamond? Yes, the sparkling of diamond is due to total internal reflection. It is based on cutting of diamond faces. So, high refractive index, which means a small critical angle, it is 24.4 degrees, and refractive index is 2.42. Yes, the total internal reflection in a diamond we have discussed how the beautiful diamond is. So, friends, see how the refractive index, how the total internal reflection occurs in a diamond. Yes. Yeah, friends, see here the TIR in total internal reflection, the optic fiber. Yes, friends, and we are missing something. So, let me tell you after this. So, TIR in optic fibers. Light does not escape as it travels along the fiber optics. Cable becomes, its undergo total internal reflection. Clear, friends? Yeah, see endoscopic surgery which I have said you before. So, it is used in medicine, and endoscopic surgery is an flexible fiber optics cable through which internal cavities can be viewed, routinely used in the diagnosis of cancer and ulcer. So, here the doctors are doing gastroscopic surgery, it is used in gastroscopic surgery. Endoscopic surgery explains of a stomach. Clear, friends, and here they are doing surgery. So, this here the doctors are doing somewhat surgery. So, let me do one more magic, friends. See, friends, here let us do some more magic. Yeah. So, friends, let us take a beaker. Let us take a beaker and let me pour first layer with glycerin. We have glycerin here. Let me put glycerin. Yes, I filled with one layer glycerin, and let me put water. And let me put another layer oil. See, friends, here we have three layers. The first layer is glycerin and the second layer is water. Third layer is oil. So, we have three layers. Clear, friends? We have three layers. So, the glycerin layer and water layer and the oil layer. So, let me put a quartz rod. Let me put a quartz rod in the beaker. Let me put a quartz rod in the beaker. Friends, are you able to see the quartz rod in the three layers? No. What is the reason? and the liquids are not mixed. Why? Yeah, the liquids are immiscible liquids, and the quartz rod we are able to see only in the water layer, not in the oil layer and the glycerin layer. Because of the refractive index is, what happens is, let me tell you what happens here. So friends, here in the water and the glycerin, so you are able to see in the water only. So the refractive index of water is less. So the refractive index of oil and glycerin is higher than the water. So that's why we are unable to see the quartz rod in oil and in glycerin. So we are able to see only in the water. Yes. So we are come here, diagnosis of cancer. Doctors using a fibroscope to investigate suspected lungs cancer in a patient's. If a fibroscopic is a flexible fiber optic cable with a camera on the end, similarly to an endoscopic. Clear friends? Yes, here also the doctor is doing somewhat surgery, endoscopic surgery. So friends, today we have discussed about reflection of light, refraction of light, and what is a light, and what is physics, and refractive index, critical angle, total internal reflection, and applications of TIR we have discussed. Yes friends? Yeah, I hope you have understand everything which I have taught you. Yeah. So let me ask you some questions regarding which I have said you. So what is the refractive index of air? It is 0.00293. Clear, absolutely correct. And which have more refractive index? Yeah, it is diamond. And what is the refractive index of that? It is 2.42. Yeah, and let me tell you what is the refractive index of water. It is, yes, 1.33. So till now we have discussed all the topics which we have learned some in our earlier classes, and we have discussed about total internal reflection. Clear friends? Yeah, I hope you have understand everything which I have taught you. So let me tell you friends, physics is everything. Without physics there is nothing. So the food which we eat, the place where we travel, the earth on which we live, everything depends upon physics friends. Clear? So you want to go with physics, live with physics, everything with physics. Clear? So friends, when you traveling with your parents or relatives etc. in a bus or a train, so you want to able to answer that formation of mirrors is nothing but total internal reflection, and the formation of image in a mirror, the formation of image in a mirror is due nothing but reflection, and we have that bending of pencil in a water is nothing but refraction. So when you are familiar with physics, then you are able to every question, every scientific question which are raised by nature and everyone in the world. Clear friends? Everyone in the world. So and you familiar with physics, then you will be able to answer every question. Yeah friends. So and I want to tell you that, so friends, learn physics, leave physics. So this 21st century is depends upon physics. So without physics there is nothing. So you are able to see me in a television, that is due to science, that is nothing but physics. Everything is happening physics. Yeah friends, tell me, is there anything is remaining? Hello?
Hello. Hi,
Yeah.
Rani.
Hi.
This is Sailila from Banswada at Kamareddy district.
Yes, tell me.
I had a small doubt.
Yeah, tell me friend.
So, how the mirages are differ from the total internal reflection?
So friends, when the incident ray, it's a good question posed by you friend. So we have seen in the, let me show you in PPT. So then you will be able to, so let me show friends. Yeah friends, see here. So the layer of air near the ground is hot, friend. The layer of the air is hot. So the less denser than up layer. So it has less denser. And the low refractive indexes, friends. It has low refractive index. So, and let me tell you what the exact answer for your question. So the light refracts more and more towards the horizontal, friend. See, when a light meets a layer of air near the ground at an angle greater than critical angle, so it is due to total internal reflection. It is due to total internal reflection, friends. I hope it is clear, friend. Okay, friend, thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Sparrow. Tell me.
Hi, Sparrow.
Yeah, tell me.
I am Divya from Rayapati College, Warangal district.
Yeah, Sparrow, tell me.
You are teaching very nice.
Thank you very much.
Here is a question from me.
Yeah,
what
tell me.
is the difference between mirage and the total internal reflection?
So here the mirage is due to total internal reflection, friend. So not a difference. So the total internal reflection happening in the mirage. Clear, friend? Yeah. Friends, so this is total internal reflection. So friends, I want to conclude with saying that, yeah, friend, we are missing somewhat, right? So let me tell you what we are missing today. So we have all this and what I am missing. Let me tell you what I am missing. So, and the assignment for you is, so see friends, if the refractive index of a glass is 2.5, find the velocity of light in glass, and I am giving that velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So you want to solve this question, I will check your notes tomorrow, then you want to show me everyone in the class. Okay, friends. Yeah, Sparrow, tell me.
Hello, Rani Sparrow and Sanrita Sparrow.
Okay, Sparrow, tell me. I hope I am very happy to call you have called me.
What is the behavior of light in extreme denser medium, Sparrow?
Yes, Sparrow, you have a good question and you will become the critical thinker of the man. So let me tell you, the light in extremely denser medium is reflected back again and again, friend. Is it clear, friend? Yeah, thank you. So this is the assignment. Tomorrow you want to submit me, otherwise I will cut your marks. So friends, and I want to sum up my session with saying that success is never final. Success is never permanent. Failure is not final. So don't stop trying until, hello friends, tell me.
Hello.
Hello, tell me, friend.
Hi, Sparrow.
Hi, Sparrow.
I am Kirtana Sparrow, Mattampalli, Surapet district.
Yeah, Sparrow, I am very happy. Tell me.
And my doubt is,
Yeah.
what is difference between the endoscopic and gastroscopic and their uses?
So, friends, my topic is not about gastroscopic and endoscopic. So, I am saying that used in endoscopic and gastroscopic to identify the minute particles which are in the body. Clear, friends? Yeah. So, and success is never permanent. Failure is not final. So, you want to do again and again till your victory makes a history. Okay, friends? So, friends, I really thank our secretary, sir. So, yes, friends. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi,
friend.
Sparrow.
Hi.
This is Narsimha from Magnet, Ganpur.
Okay.
I want to ask a question.
Yeah, Sparrow, you can.
What is the role of total internal reflection in the formation of rainbow?
Formation of rainbow. It's a good question. So, it is one of the example of total internal reflection, friends. So, what happens is in a raindrop, so it takes total internal reflection. So, let me show on the board, then you are able to understand. So, this is a raindrop. You think it is a raindrop. So, when a light travels from here and it reflected and it internally reflects and it come out, friends. Clear? When it comes and internal reflects, so that's why we are the rainbow is formed. Clear, Sparrow? Yeah. So, friend, I am saying that, oh sorry, I thank our beloved secretary, sir, who had gave me a wonderful opportunity, and I thank our principal Vijay Lakshmi madam, who have encouraged me a lot, and I thank all my principal, all the staff and my beloved friends and especially I thank for Pragati madam who have given more guidance, and I gratitude my friends who have filled hope in my heart. Thank you friends, and this is your ever smiling friend Rani signing off. Proud to be a Swara friends.